Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hey Alice, let me ask you something.
Okay, David, what is it?
Have you ever said, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes?
Oh, yes, many times, especially when I want to study English.
Exactly. You know what you need to do, but you just don't do it.
That's true, and it feels frustrating.
Well, today we're going to fix that.
Yes, today's topic is something very powerful.
Self-discipline.
And don't worry, we'll make it simple, clear, and easy to understand.
So if you want to improve your English and your life,
You're in the right place.
let's get started. Alice, what does self-discipline mean?
In simple words, self-discipline means doing something even when you don't feel like it.
That's powerful.
For example, you want to study English.
But you feel lazy.
If you study anyway, that is self-discipline.
Or if you want to exercise.
But you still go to the gym even when you feel tired.
That is also self-discipline.
You can think of it like a superpower.
A superpower.
Yes, because it helps you reach your goals step by step.
All right, let's talk about the first step.
Step 1. Start small.
Why is that important?
Because big goals can feel difficult.
Yes, if I say I will study English for 2 hours every day, I may quit.
Exactly. But if you say, I will study for 5 minutes,
That feels easy.
yes, and when it becomes a habit, you can do more.
So, small steps, big results.
Exactly.
What's the second step?
Step 2. Make a simple plan.
What do you mean?
Choose a small goal and choose a time.
For example,
I will study English for 10 minutes after dinner.
that's clear and simple.
Yes, if your plan is simple, you will follow it.
Now, let's talk about something very important.
Distractions,
Yes, things that stop you from focusing.
like your phone.
Exactly.
If your phone is next to you, you will check it.
And then you lose focus.
So what should we do?
Turn off notifications.
Or put your phone in another room.
That makes a big difference.
Next step, stay consistent.
That means do it every day.
Even if it's just a little.
Yes, 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Exactly.
Consistency builds results. And the last step?
Step 5, reward yourself.
That sounds fun.
Yes, after you finish your task, give yourself something small.
Like what?
Watch a video, drink coffee, relax.
That makes learning more enjoyable.
Exactly, and it helps you continue.
Now let's do a short conversation. Alice, did you study English today?
Yes, I studied for 10 minutes this morning.
That's great. Starting small works.
Yes, and I turned off my phone to focus.
Good idea.
And after that, I had coffee as a reward.
Perfect. That's self-discipline in action. Now it's your turn.
Repeat after us. I will start small.
Good.
I will study every day.
Nice.
I will stay consistent.
Excellent. Now listen carefully. If you don't have self-discipline,
You will keep starting and stopping.
but if you build it,
You can change your life.
so here's your challenge.
Write one small goal in the comments.
Example, I will study English for 10 minutes today.
Start small, but start now.
And if you're serious about improving your English,
Subscribe now because we practice real English here.
see you in the next lesson.
Keep practicing your English.